Hello everyone, and it's me Honor Achinonso, and we are going to be looking at this logarithm question. So this solution. So this question, log x base 2 plus log x plus 6 base 2 equals to 4. So from the laws, when you're adding, you multiply them. So this log has 2 and 2, and so they are the same. So you pick one of the log, then multiply these, and that is part of the laws of logarithm. So log 2, then you now multiply x and this x x plus 6 equal to 4. So here, what you're going to do next now to cancel this log is you do 2 raised to power this 4. So anything you're doing here, you use this 4 raised to the power of that thing that is here. So to remove this log, we are going to do, you write this out. Is x bracket x plus 6 equals to 2 raised to power 4. That's how I do. Now this log has gone out. It's not normal. Then you need to open the bracket. X times x is x squared plus 6 times x is 6x equals to 2 raised to power 4. That is going to be 16. 16. So here now is now becoming like a quadratic equation. So you need to make it a proper quadratic equation. You need to bring this constant into this place and equate it to 0. So that is x squared plus 6x. Then when you're crossing it over, it changes to minus 16 equals to 0. And solving this now, this is the quadratic equation. Let's factorize. So the factors, when you multiply, this is minus 16x squared. So the factors of it are going to be 8 and 2 the factor. Then we need to know what you will do where you add whether plus or minus here to give this center one. So if you add plus to this 8 and add minus here, it's 8 minus 2 is going to give you the 6. So that is what you are going to use, 8 and 2. That is x squared plus 8x minus 2x minus 16 equals to 0. Now we're going to group them. We group these ones, we group this one. The common thing here is x, right? X, the remaining, if you remove x from here, the remaining thing is x plus 8. Then common thing here is minus 2. That is minus 2. So that is going to be, if you factorize minus 2 from here, remaining x plus, you factorize minus 2 from here, you're going to get 8 equals to 0. When you're doing this bracket must be the same. If you're not the same, it's not correct. So this x plus 8, they are the same, just pick one bracket. Then these ones that are outside, you bring them together. X minus 2 equals to 0. So you're not going to equate this individually equals to 0. It's going to be x plus 8 equals to 0. No, quadratic equation, they're always 2. Or x minus 2 equals to 0. So what you're going to do now is to make s on the formula. So you collect like terms. As x equals, when you cross this over, it's going to change to minus 8. Or then when you're crossing this 2 over, it's not going to be s equals 2. But from this now, this minus 8, for putting minus 8 in this logarithm, is going to be undefined. It can't work. So the correct positive answer here is 2. So our answer is 2. So thank you very much. You like, you share, and you comment. And don't forget to follow. Have a nice day.